Hi there, Melody from WTI. And if you're not sure which label maker to choose, let me show you this label maker from SUPVAN. So this T50M Pro Bluetooth label maker machine comes with everything you need to charge it up. You can take it on the go. It has all these extra little rolls of paper labels that comes with it as well. And to switch it up, it's super easy. You just pop down that orange button and you're ready to get started. The Katasymbol app is super user-friendly. You can add images, you can use the templates that are there. It allows you to switch around the words. You can use it for canning, like I love it, all these different kinds of labels. You can use it for even organizing your cupboards, and it's even good for businesses. You can make your own QR codes and little thank you notes. This app comes with over 40 fonts, 30 frames, and 450 icons, and it's no charge to you. I love how easy it is to use, super user-friendly. You can add pages, you can take away pages. You're able to really play around with your fonts and your sizes. The printing is super easy too. I love all these different kinds of fonts that you have. So you can make it very personal. Especially when it comes to organizing your kiddos' rooms even. I just love it, or even the storage room. I find that things are so much neater and cleaner and look more organized, and they're easier to find when they're all labeled. And if you really want to think outside the box, you can print pictures, you can even sketch on here. It's got an eraser to fix your mistakes. It's just so much fun. It's not overwhelming. It's easy to connect. It's easy to use. I love the app. It's the perfect label maker, the one that everybody needs. So label makers are so fun and so useful. Go try this one here from SUPVAN. You will be very impressed with it like I was, but that's my point of view.